Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you, altered in the beautiful magical papers from the Imagine collection by Graphic 45 and incorporating their latest set of die releases, the tags and cogs and clock. I've created this little tag box. It's one of my products, and altered it in. I've taken two of the colourways from the paper. There are soft pinks, soft blues and rose golds, and I've gone for pink and blue for my project. So let's just move these out of the way and then I can show you what is in the box. So it's a little tag box. It stands just over 10 inches tall. I've put it all together using my black construction tape. I've used Graphic 45 lion feet, claw feet on the bottom, and one of their vintage doorknob buttons here, and added an extra little key. I've gone for pinks and blues, so I've coordinated stripes and then this beautiful pastel pink paper with the clocks, the cogs, the hot air balloons and the roses and butterflies all the way around. Stripes on the back, and then the paper just sort of curls around the edges, and then the little box opens, and on the inside I've gone blue. So that's the lid if we lay it out flat, and I've altered the front. I've actually split it and cut the front piece into 3 sections so that it has doors that open on the sides. And then I've picked out the roses. There's a lot of fussy cutting in this project, which I haven't done for a while, but I really enjoyed cutting out all of the details. And it's a bit of a homage to my grandma. She absolutely adored pink roses. So I've gone for the pink rose theme and mixed it up with lots of other elements as well, but predominantly the roses. I've gone for blue stripes. There is a little tag album inside, which I'll show you in a minute, but that is the inside of the box. So in my signature style, I've gone for less is more and just cut out one of the rose elements and popped it up on some foam pads at the back there, and again cut out one of the cutter parts from one of the sheets in the paper and done the same. And then we've got a sticker element across the top here and another sticker just mounted on black card just to hide the clasp at the top. So that is the little box, and then I've just added blue butterfly paper at the bottom. It's all edged in treasure gold, Spanish topaz, and makes a really lovely little box. And then moving on to the little album. The album has been cut from this die, and I've got a separate video which I'll link to show you how to, if you don't have the tags that this die goes with, how to make the album as I've done, just using the die. So I'll put the link at the end of the video so that you can go and have a look at that. But that's the die that I used, and it makes, I've gone for the long tag and then just cut it down to make a staggered tag album, and they are all joined. All of the pages are joined. So on one side I've gone pink, on the other side I've gone blue, and then there's lots of little elements. So if we zoom in, wrong way, you should be able to see them better. Lots of little elements on the pages, and this is where the other 2 dies come in. So we've got the clock die and the cogs here, and when you cut them out, the cogs, they're in a large sheet, but it is really, really dainty, and I've covered them in treasure gold, and then I've cut them out and used them throughout the project. So I went for the clock on the front cover of the album with a sticker and then some of the cogs poked behind the roses and the butterflies. And the butterflies have been highlighted in, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but Wink of Stella, and then Leone Pugin's blue glitter pen as well, just to give a lot of sparkle. And then on the inside, these are from the pink side. I've just created pockets on each of the pages and then used Patterns and Solids, stickers, the paper and the little tags with the Fuzzy Cut paper elements on it to create just a fun little pocket album. So that is page 1. And then this one, little pocket, little tag comes out. So we've got a sticker and the cogs and the butterflies, a sticker element across the pocket, and Patterns and Solids at the bottom. And then we go to, if I pick it up so you can see it better. I love this one, The Beautiful Dreamer. It's the only place I've used the lady, I think. And I've added extra cogs and butterflies and roses to her hair. So that's the cut apart from the paper, the sticker, and then the coordinated Patterns and Solids to create the page. And then on the little tag it says Beauty. That was one of the stickers. The tags are all plain on the back so that you could add pictures if you wanted to, but it's just a fun little project to make. And then we've got a clock in the pink with a lovely clock butterfly and roses and cogs underneath it, part of the sticker element, and then the little tag coordinates and just slides in the pocket there. And then right at the back, and if you see all the pages, you'll see I started off with the rose paper and finished off with the rose paper. So I've just raised up the roses on this side, added one of the stamps and a sticker, and then there are some cogs coming down here and then the little tag to go in the pocket. And then if we flip over, let's go this way. So the front you've seen, you've got the little clock with all of the elements, and then we've got, this is one of the long sticker elements underneath, and the roses, little butterflies and the cogs, and Create Your Own Dream, and the coordinating tag. This page we've got the sticker, oh, the lady again, and the flying teapot. Maybe not the flying teapot, maybe it's just a butterfly on the teapot, I'm not sure. But and then the roses and the cogs, and then one of the lovely balloon stickers and the coordinating tag. And on this page I did cut out the butterfly and the teapot and raise that up. It's got the lovely banners there coming out of the clock, and the cogs and the roses, and again Create Your Own Dream and the coordinating tag. And then I had to get a balloon in, so I've gone for the large one, popped it up on 2 layers of foam dots just to give it some depth, and then the roses are behind it at different layers, and then some of the cogs and the roses added down below. And how true is that? Time is flying, never to return. And then the little coordinating tag has got the little teapot on and the roses. I hope you've enjoyed that. Have a look in the papers. There is so much in there. The more you look, the more you see. Thanks very much for watching. Happy paper crafting. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.